Hello everybody, we are together again with main course lesson. Right now open your spin book, unit 11, I guessed page 102, message from Earth. I'm opening right now with you. Yes, 102 and message from Earth. Okay, you can see an article. Everybody please read carefully and then please follow at the same time. Okay, let's start it.
Is there anybody out there? People have always wanted to know if there's intelligent life on other planets. Scientists believe that if the environment in which life developed on Earth exists on other planets, there may be life elsewhere in the universe too. It's possible that these aliens will try to get in touch with people on Earth by sending signals. Research centres around the world look for signals from aliens and collect information using telescopes. If there is intelligent life on another planet, it's possible that one day they might communicate with us. But what have we done to communicate with them? Well, we have sent messages from Earth several times. For example, on the 9th of October 2008, a signal was sent to planet Gliese 581c using a radar telescope. Planet Gliese 581c was chosen because it has an environment where life could develop. The signal will reach the planet in 2029. It will take that long because it has to travel 190 trillion kilometers. The signal was like a time capsule, which consisted of text messages and images. Scientists organized a competition and asked people what they thought about world peace and the environment. More than 500,000 people sent text messages, and 501 of these were selected to send into space. The capsule also had images of landmarks, such as the London Eye and Edinburgh Castle in Scotland. What will happen when the time capsule gets to Gliese 581c? Well, someone asked Seth Shostak, an American astronomer, if the aliens would understand the messages. He said that it didn't really matter, and that if aliens received the signal, they would at least know that there is another planet out there with some pretty clever things on it. Earth.
Okay, and right now, did you understand about it? Did you understand exactly? Yes, I think. And there are some new words. Intelligent. Of course, we know, but I want to explain again, having or showing intelligence, especially of a high level, you can say. For example, Anna is intelligent and hardworking, I can say. And synonym of intelligent, what do you think about? Please, a little bit think about it. Synonym of intelligent. For example, Anna is intelligent, but instead of intelligent, I can use Anna is clever, I can say, or smart, or bright, or brilliant. Yes, all of them we can use. Develop, grow or cause to grow, become advanced, I can say. Can you understand? Please think about it again, a little bit time, please. Synonym of develop, I can say evolve and grow. Yes, I can use instead of develop. And the other one, the other next step, yes, exist. Have objective reality or being something. For example, live or survive. Synonym of exist. We can say live or survive. Universe, the cosmos, of course, all existing in space. An alien, an alien foreign maybe. And how can you explain? A little bit think. Alien. It's not belong to the world or foreign, unfamiliar. Yes, we can say synonym of alien, unfamiliar maybe. And the other one, signal. Signal you can understand easily and pass it. The other one, reach. Reach. How can we say reach? For example, I think it's up to some context. For example, arrive at a place, I can say reach means arriving at a place, or maybe according to the concept, reach a decision. Yeah, make a decision. I mean, make a decision. For example, it's up to according to concept. Consist. Right now, consist. Consist to be something that is made or form of various specific things, maybe. Yes, very specific things. For example, I want to say an phrase. Huh. The crowd consisted mostly of college kids. Yes, can you understand? The crowd consisted mostly of college kids. To be something that is made or formed of very specific things, we can say. And organize. And in this example, you can understand. Scientists I'm so sorry. The signal was like a time capsule which consisted of text messages. The crowd consisted mostly of college kids, like that. Organized, very easy one, to make an arrangement meeting, you can say. And select again, easy one. Choose, you can accept it. And okay, and finished. Right now, the other page. Turn the page. Answer the questions. What do research centers use in their search for signals? Please think a little bit. Try to find. Why did scientists send the time capsule to Greece 581? When will the signal to get Greece again 181C? What were the text messages about? What kind of images were sent? Everybody, please think about them a little bit, and if you want, you can change, or you try to find. You can change the page, try to find, or think about it. But I am opening the answers right now. Very easy. What do research centers use in their search for signals? Of course, telescope. And why did scientists send a time capsule? Because of life could develop there. We have read. When will the signal get the Greece again? 2029. What were the text messages about world peace and the environment again? What kind of images were sent? Images of landmarks. A landmark, for example, Eiffel Tower is a landmark. For Paris, for example, or France. Okay, can you understand? Or maybe London Eye for London, landmark. London Eye is a landmark. Okay, the other exercise. Match the sum of highlighted words with these meanings. Intelligent, developed, exist, universe, alien, selected, organized, consist, and region, signal. We have talked about them. Right now, choosing carefully. Try to find. Choosing carefully. Which one can have the same meaning? Choosing carefully. Of course, selected. Get to a place. And I've said I just said get the place. This is reach. Creatures from another world. Where is one? Alien. And space and everything in it again. Universe. Be real or alive. Exist. Come on. Yes, clever and good at understanding. This is intelligence. Uh-oh, I forgot. Exam. Exist, okay, right there. And intelligent there. Yes. Okay, and check right now. Okay, all of them. Right. Turn the page. Complete the sentences with these words. Have, leave, make, tell, receive. Can you understand? You know all the verbs meaning. Right now. If no one answers the phone, you can a message. Tell a message, make a message, leave a message, receive a message, have a message. But leave a message, you can say something about it and you can leave a message. He will, blah blah. A speech about how important space research is. A speech. Okay, make a speech, tell a speech, receive a speech, have a speech. I think make a speech is suitable one. And for 3, we often conversation about life on other planets. Tell conversation, make conversation, receive conversation, have conversation. Make done. We often have conversation talking about something, or dialogue, talking with each other or with another person. Can you please make a phone call to the research center? Did the scientists a message? Of course, receive a message from outer space. Receive, taking. People often tell lies. People often tell lies about seeing alien spaceships. Yes, we know that. Okay, and our last example. Circle the correct words. Chris told me that he saw an alien spaceship, but I knew he was doing or making it up. It's about phrasal verbs. What's that? Think a little bit. Do it up, make it up. Of course, make it up. Why? Make up means, for example, your speech is not real or not real information. Maybe telling lies. That told or said Mikey of for using the laptop without asking. This is said or told? Told, of course. That told Mikey of using the laptop without asking. It's important that we give or get this message across to teenagers. Give a message, get this message. Which one? This is get this message means take. Maybe we accept it. It's meaning take. Take this message. We was furious and he hung or rang up on me. This is maybe you are learning right now. Hang up means close the phone. Means close the phone. And hung up on me, this is like that. I left her a message and she will call me back after, back or after later. Of course, call me back. Why? Because meaning, it's meaning can be return again. Call me again. The phone is ringing. Can you give or pick it up? This is pick it up because pick up means open the phone. Okay, and the end of our lesson. See everybody. Ah, sorry. This is I didn't say your homework. Page in student's book, page 78. Only 78. Page 78 is your homework. Okay, see everybody.